Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Luke, Chapter 18. And he spoke a parable to them, that people ought to always pray and not faint, saying, A judge was in a city, who did not fear all, nor regard people. Also a widow was in that city, and she came to him, saying, Avenge me of my adversary. And for a while he refused. However, afterward he said within himself, Although I do not fear all, nor regard people, yet because this widow troubles me, I will avenge her, or else she will wear me out with her continual pestering. Then the Adun said, Listen to what the unrighteous judge said. Therefore will all not avenge his own elect, who cry day and night to him? Will he continue to disregard them? I tell you that he will quickly avenge them. However, when the Son of Man comes, will he find faith on the earth? Thus he spoke this parable to those who trusted in themselves that they were righteous and despised others. 2 men went up into the temple to pray. One was a Perushi, and the other a publican. The Perushi stood and prayed this within himself. All, I thank you that I am not like other men, swindlers, unjust, adulterers, or even like this publican. I fast twice a week. I give tithes of all that I possess. Furthermore, the publican, standing afar off, would not even lift up his eyes to the heavens, but struck upon his chest, saying, All, be merciful to me, a sinner. I tell you, this man went down to his house justified, instead of the other. For everyone who exalts himself will be humbled, but the one who humbles himself will be exalted. Then they brought infants to him, so that he would touch them. However, when his Talmudim saw it, they rebuked them. But Yahushua called them and said, Allow the little children to come to me, and do not forbid them, for of such is the kingdom of all. Verily I say to you, whoever will not receive the kingdom of all, like a little child, will in no wise enter into it. And a certain ruler asked him, saying, Good Rabbi, what must I do to inherit eternal life? Therefore Yahushua responded to him, Why do you call me good? Nobody is good except one, all. You know the commandments: do not commit adultery, do not kill, do not steal, do not bear false witness, honor your father and your mother. And he said, I have kept all these from my youth up. Now when Yahushua heard this, he said to him, Yet you lack one thing. Sell all that you have and distribute it to the poor, and you will have treasure in the heavens. Then come, follow me. However, when he heard this, he was very sorrowful, because he was very rich. And when Yahushua saw that he was very sorrowful, he said, How hard is it for the rich to enter into the kingdom of all? Truly, it is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for the rich to enter into the kingdom of all. Therefore, those who heard it asked, Then who can be saved? And he answered, The things that are impossible with men are possible with all. So Caiaphas said, Look, we have left everything and followed you. And he said to them, Verily I say to you, there is no man who has left house or parents or brethren or wife or children for the sake of the kingdom of all, who will not receive much more during this present time, also during the world to come, everlasting life. Furthermore, he took the 12 and said to them, Behold, we are going up to Jerusalem, and all things that are written by the prophets concerning the Son of Man will be accomplished. For he will be delivered to the Gentiles, and will be mocked, and treated hatefully, and spit upon. And they will scourge him, and put him to death. But the third day he will rise again. The Talmudim did not understand any of this. Its meaning was hidden from them, and they did not know what he was talking about. And it came to pass, as he came near Jericho, a certain blind man sat by the wayside begging. And hearing the multitude pass by, he asked what it meant. And they told him that Yehoshua of Nazareth passed by. Therefore he cried, saying, Yehoshua, son of David, have mercy on me. But those who were in front rebuked him, so that he would hold his peace. However, he cried even more, Son of David, have mercy on me. Then Yehoshua stood still and commanded that he be brought to him. And when he was near, he asked him, saying, What do you want me to do for you? And he answered, Adon, that I may have my sight. Therefore Yehoshua said to him, Receive your sight. Your faith has saved you. Then immediately he received his sight, and followed him, glorifying all. And when they saw it, all the people gave praise to all.